They got cars in those damn things. Can you see it? Yeah, you can see it a little bit. I think that one's empty. That one's got cars in it. Yep, F-250s. Nope, Chevys. Chevys 1500s. And that one, can't tell what's in there. That one is empty. Empty again. That one's got cars in it, but I can't tell. It looks like a Lexus probably. There was a Challenger in there and a couple of pets in that last one right there. Some Toyotas in that one, like Corollas and stuff. Hey, Daryl and Delissa, y'all need to get out here to my neck of the woods, because I'm going to tell you what, if you like watching trains, I had that one that was sitting right here parked for a good 20 minutes, half an hour, and then it took off, and then I got this one going by, and there's another one parked right here waiting to go. This is a lot of cars getting delivered out towards LA and shit, because you know, these cars don't come through here going that way unless if they're going to San Francisco, LA, Sacramento, stuff like that. So, you know, I don't know why the hell we have so many damn cars when every time I go to a couple of more, there's a couple of Fords in that one, but damn, Kansas City. Chicka, what, chicka, yeah. Okay. Yeah, unfortunately my damn camera died, so you'll probably see this video before I upload my GoPro footage from today. Today is September 16th, so yeah, you'll see this video today. A couple more Chevys. So you'll see this video before anything else, and I got about an hour and a half worth of footage on my GoPro today until it died. I knew I should have double checked it and charged it before I came out riding today, but some more Toyotas. Yeah, it was kind of dumb. I didn't double check the battery life on my camera, my GoPro, before I came out and I went riding. I told myself last night to check it and to charge it before coming out and riding, but I stupidly didn't because it was 11:30 at night when I thought about it, right before I went to bed. So. And this is just like almost all the other dang videos I have. 5+ minutes of watching one train go by. Boring! I try to make it interesting though. I see some more paint cans there, so I can tell there's a... I missed it on that one. There's a Jeep and a couple more Chevy 1500s in there. That one's empty. That one is empty. So, see what other. This is ridiculous. DUEL dual, that was already there. MIDE. Let's see what else is on here. There's a couple of paint cans right there.